Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here, and we are back again for another vlog. We're doing a tech and camera vlog dahil we are here sa estancia sa Enderon, paano to tawag to? Study studio, I think, for the event ni JG Superstore. Nakita niyo yung logo na yan, no? We're going to go inside. Let's check it out, yo. Magtutour muna tayo inside the event, and later on, I'll be vlogging of the different kinds of camera gears na meron sila. And I will post it separately on this vlog para you can choose na lang whatever video content that you want to watch and also learn about the products na dala ni JG Superstore. So okay, pasok ka tayo. Let's do a tour, event tour muna tayo. At I'm vlogging this with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with the flying microphone and the Ulanzi MT11 na flexible tripod. Okay, let's go inside. Let's do this. And here we go sa Enderon Design Innovation Campus. And this is the JG Superstore. So let's go inside. Pasok na tayo. At I already got my name tag already here. Nakita ko yung mga friends natin sa photography industry. They are also here. Yung mga big timers, no? So, pasok tayo. This is the inside of the Enderon. Hello. Ito yung mga stars ng JG Superstore, oh, dito. Mga artista. Also, may dining area nito. No? Kainan na. And let's go inside and check out what's inside in this room. Ayan, let's have a tour lang. And they have here some Viltrox lenses. Ayan. At very excited ako to try this kasi I'm looking for a lens for my Fujifilm camera. At para mga prime yata ito, this is a 50mm AF. This one is a 33mm, puro mga prime lenses. This one is a 24M na 1.8. Ayan, sa mga signs na. At very interesting here is that they are launching the trade-in your old camera for a new camera. So this is carried by JG Superstore. If you can see this QR code, you can scan this to get more information. Ayan, so yung mga lumang cameras nyo, pwede nyo i-trade in to get a new camera. Mamaya interview natin si Sir Leo para malaman natin to. Mamaya mag-tour muna tayo at mamimigay siya ng 200 voucher. Ayan, kuha na ako, score ako mamaya. Sige. Panalo. Thank you. Okay, tour tayo. Mamaya, alamin natin yung details itong trade-in ito. Very interesting. At also here, we have the Rode banner and the Rode microphone. This is a superior microphone. Ay, ganda nito! For a sit-down vlog for podcasting. This is nice. Ang ganda. And also this module na to. Rodecaster Pro 2. And they have a smaller ones. Pang Streamer X, pang streams. Have the Rode microphones. Ayan, no? Nanggigigil ako dahil may ligaw sa microphones, eh. Also, they have another one for a condenser style kind of microphones. Ayan. And also the Rode, I think the Rode Micro ba to? Ang tawag sa ganitong mic? Video mic. Yes. Rode. Okay. Ito siya. And also the wireless microphone. Yung wireless. Yeah, I'm using a different brand eh. Oh, it's a China brand. Na clone lang yan. Oo, dapat naka-Rode na ako. Sige, sabihin natin kay Jillian. Gusto ko ng wireless go-to. Okay na ako dyan. Ayan.
Eh, sure, malatandain kami dyan sa ganyan.
Ayan.
Malatandain kami.
Oo, talaga. Oo. Kasi it's different microphones eh. Kaya kailangan talaga maka-upgrade. Sige, balikan ko ito para ma-explain sa akin itong mga microphones na ito. Sige. And they have also the Creator Club. Ayan, join na kayo guys. At ito. Scan na to. Scan. And on the right side here is a very interesting brand. A comeback ng brand na to. This is a Kodak camera. I can see some analogs at saka yung mga Mini 3 Retro. So ano ba tawag sa kanila ngayon sa mga ganitong camera? na may
This one
printer.
is retro shot.
Retro shot
Yes,
ang
po.
tawag sa kanya for the
This one
branding.
is square and this one man po mini.
Ito yung square. Ito yung square. Ganda ng square, oh. Tsaka the paper is different.
Yes, photo paper.
And this is yung kanyang sa mini. Parang calling card style, no? Ganda, oh. Photo paper talaga, oh. So, ito siya. Kodak, ano ulit? Kodak
Mini shot.
Mini Shot Retro. Ayan. Kodak Mini Shot Retro. Ayan. Printing siya. Also, I heard hybrid siya, no?
Yes.
Pwede digital and also print. And this one is the printer. Ayan. Printer for the mini. Ayan. And this one is the printer for the wide. Galing, oh. At ito yung pinaka-interesting here is that they are now promoting and releasing yung mga Kodak cameras na mga analog. Nakikita ko to sa Facebook ni Sir Nelson. Dahil kay Sir Nelson, nabubudol tayo sa mga products na ito. At nag-check tayo ng review about this. Ayan, balikan natin mamaya yan. Pero pag Godox na ano, oh my God, ito yung nakikita ko pag may mga event eh. This is a wireless na, ano to, cordless, no? Cordless, no? Portable. Nakikita ko to. Yung mga influencer, may kanya-kanya silang ilaw.
Power, pwede ko siya sir, power bank.
Power back. Ganda. Yan, uso ngayon yung for photography. Grabe. And this one is, ano to mga to? This one, Xeon lights din. Okay, Xeon lights. Ito yung parang lightsaber ba to? Walang battery? Ayun! Grabe liwanag. Sabi ko pa, walang battery. Grabe liwanag nito. Ang tindi. Off na natin. Ganda! Oh my God. Ito pa. We have here a, ano din, ganun din yata to, no? Portable din ba to? Ganda naman ito. This is the 5-ray M20 fill-in. Oh, parang maganda to, ah. Very compact, oh. Wow. Rechargeable din. Grabe. And this, ito ay, ito siya, ito yung mga ilaw. Ito yung mga kakilala kong mga food influencer. Ito yung gamit nila. Paano ito turn on to? Ayun. Oh my God, ang ganda. Soft light, to. Wow. So this is the 5-ray M40 combo. May soft, ano siya? Oh, soft light. This one is very nice din. 5-ray M20C fill light combo. Ganda. Ay! Ito yung gusto kong flash. Ganda nito, tinan mo. Nabubuka siya. Sasarado. Ayan. And also, ay! Nalaglag. You can open it. Ganda, oh. Manual, ano lang to, no? Manual siya, no? Wala siyang TTL. Ganda, oh. For any cameras ba kaya nito? Mag-trigger siya, ano? Basta taka. Magkano yung mga ganito nyo?
For now, sir, wala pa po tayong available price.
Oh. Ganda, yo. Godox. Ano, kabibili ko lang din ng Godox din sa inyo, no? Hindi ko pa nagaga. Para mga noong January yata. This one is another magandang light. Ayan. Testing natin ito mamaya. And also this one. Ganda rin ito. Very retro, no? Very retro ng mga flash nila for Godox. Kasi Axel, pasok na ako dito sa kabila. At syempre, we're still on a tour for the JG Superstore event. This one is, oh my God, Nikon. Oh my God. I'm already now using Nikon. And ang tanong is, ready na ba akong bumalik sa Nikon for mirrorless? Ay, Diyos ko. Sorry, nagiging Nikon fan talaga ako. Oh my God, ganda kasi ng isura niya, oh. Ganda. Oh my God. Eto pa. More on Nikons. This one for mga mirrorless. Ganda rin ito. Oh my God. Also the lenses. Ganda ng ilaw niya, oh. Ganda ng ilaw. So, ilaw na to. Okay, yun lang. At Distillera. Uy, masarap to. I like the, ano ba yun, mango, ayan, yung mango, tsaka yung parang kalamansi ba yun? Ayan, tikman natin mamaya, ayan. So here, the visa assistance, okay. And this one is the photo shoot area. Ayan, mamaya mag-photo shoot tayo nito. At pusi tayo for the portrait photography. Ayan. Change lenses na. Ayan ang magandang setup. Godox lights yung gamit nila and a Godox pang background light and also the fill light. Ayan, ganda. Yun. So kung i-try, pero hindi ako magaling sa mga model shoot. Sige, magpapaturo tayo mamaya. Okay, let's continue the tour. Wala na dito. Sir Mel pala to. Sige, sige. Let's go inside. Kasi ito yung parang ang silbi kasi ng event to, parang networking, you collab with each other, mga photographers. Ayan. And there's another room here with a very interesting setup. At eto siya. Ganda oh. Yung ilaw. Wow. Self-shoot na. They're using a parang Godox na ang background light at anong ilaw to? Forgot anong brand to eh. Godox din, Godox. Ganda oh. Yung effect niya. Para siyang nasa likod ng window. Ayan ang style niya for these kinds of light. Ayan. Alright. Si sir, oh. Shoot tayo dyan, sir. Laro-laro lang. Oh. And I guess that's it for our vlog for today. At this is a parang school. Parang I heard meron silang esports or game development school dito. Yung setup nila, grabe. Ang tindi, oh. Oh, may mga ilaw pa sa gilid. This is Enderan, connecting gamers. Oh, yeah, kasi may gaming ano dito. Parang school. So, ayan, that's it for our tour. Here's JG Superstore. Thank you so much kay Jill of JG Superstore for inviting me. Alas nakapag-tour na tayo, what's inside, and I'll create a content na different video for yung mga focus natin on this product. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure here sa JG Superstore. Alright, next video na tayo. Panoorin ninyo.